the basic nature of ammonia. An aqueous solution of ammonia, it's always basic in nature. কেন? যখন perfectly dry ammonia gas হয় বা ammonia in liquid form হয়, it is usually কিন্তু neutral to litmus. Dry litmus है neutral. Dry ammonia হলে neutral to litmus হবে. Ammonia actually it's a very weak base. Its basicity is due to the one lone pair है of nitrogen का, उसी के कारण NH3 একটা লোন আছে তো নাইট্রোজেন সেই কিন্তু তাহলে এমনিতে dry ammonia is not basic, okay, it's neutral. Next we come to liquor ammonia. What is liquor ammonia? An aqueous solution of ammonia in water is called liquor ammonia বা liquor ammonia fortis बोला जाता है. Now, by dissolving ammonia gas in water using a funnel arrangement, just like preparation of HCl gas leads to the preparation of liquor ammonia. Now, the aqueous solution of ammonia, এই যেটা বললাম এখন, alkaline होता है. It acts as a weak base. So, dry ammonia is neutral, but liquor ammonia is alkaline. Oh my God. Since it undergoes partial dissociation in aqueous solution and they give hydroxyl ions, OH negative ions. Now, so we see the basic nature for aqueous solution. Now we come to ammonium salts. Give it to me. Now, ammonia in the gaseous form bolo বা aqueous solution form bolo, it neutralizes the acids and forming the salt. We know acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. So it is slightly basic in nature due to the lone pair of nitrogen, as I told you. So it reacts with acids to give its respective salt and water also. Get ready. So like ammonia plus HCl gives ammonium chloride, which is the salt, NH4Cl. And like ammonium NH4OH, अमोनिया गैस का हम बोल रहा था अभी तक NH3 अगर होगा गैस होगा तो प्लस HCl gives NH4Cl. बट যদি আমরা aqueous solution of ammonia বলে NH4OH aqueous যেটা প্লাস হাইড্রো